Alright, we've got a thunderstorm here, confirmed, going just north of Pullman. It is not severe at this time, though it does have a nice rain shaft. Looks like it has a shelf cloud too. Pretty dark. Pretty low top convection. See, if I zoom out, look at that, how low the tops are. But that's because the air mass is so cold. Just 1,000 feet above the surface, it's literally only 15 degrees. So that's how you get low top convection to form. Even at the surface, it's only 61 degrees. But there's just enough instability for these little thunderstorms to pop up. Not frequent lightning producers at this time, but that could change. At least get some occasional lightning in here, I'm sure, at some point. Pretty good sized storm for a low topped. It's long, really long. Almost like it's turning into a line rather than just scattered little cells. That's definitely a downpour there. Look at that. Whew. Maybe some small hail under that. See the white hail shafts and rain shafts. So, all right, I'll be back when the storm gets a little bit closer or moves a little bit further to the east. All right, here we go. This thing is strengthened just a little bit. You see how it's way up in there now? It's not low topped anymore. It is actually pretty high up. Plane flying around it. But you can see how the rain shaft and everything is strengthened here. Almost has kind of a green hue to it, signaling there might be some hail. People in their loud vehicles. Look at that. Just shooting way up there. Come on, give me some lightning. Probably can't see it anyway, shrouded in rain. Well, you still could. This has to happen. Yeah, it's still a very healthy updraft. That thing is just exploding. Jeez. Holy crap. Oh. There we go. That's beautiful. perfect updraft. Very strong one. You can see it blowing up. Literally. You can see it. Surprised I haven't heard thunder yet or seen lightning. That could be coming soon. Look at this thing, is just exploding way up into the atmosphere. Not low topped anymore. Got enough heating and instability for these to be surface based as well, so. It's a big storm. I can't even fit the whole thing in my camera view from the ground to the top of the storm. Focus in there for a minute. Yeah, kind of lining up a little bit. All right, we got this big ass storm here. It's huge storm shooting way up into the atmosphere. Just won't quit rising. See, look at this. It's amazing. The formation. Can't even fit the whole storm in my camera. That's how big the thing is. There's the center of the cell, the middle of it, where it's hailing and raining right now for sure. On Palouse and just north of Pullman here.